Good morning to Doctor. We from Group 1 will be presenting topic safety at sea. Our group members are ANDREA, CHRISYIANA, ANAK, RANTAI, metric number S75507, CAROLLYN, DHEMUN, ANAK, RIKI, S75670, NAVINA, ANATA, S75263, PATRICIA, NAJA, ANAK, THOMAS, S75306, Tracey, ANAK, Francis, S74999.
Good morning. My name is Navina Anandan and my matrix number is S75263 and I will be presenting about introduction of safety at sea. Safety at sea is paramount as the ocean's beauty can quickly shift into danger. For every voyage, seafarers must rely on solid training skills and proper equipment. Maritime institutions plays a key role in promoting this safety culture, continuously advancing despite economic challenges. Today, modern satellite communication stands out as a vital innovation, ensuring effective coordination and real-time response to enhance safety at sea. Thank you.
For life-saving appliances, we have two life jackets and lifeboats. Life jackets is essential for personal safety. Life jackets help individuals stay afloat and reduce the risk of drowning. Next is lifeboats. These are used for emergency evacuation and must be available in sufficient quantity to accommodate all passengers and crew.
Hello everyone, my name is Tracey and I'm going to explain the component and applications of life-saving appliance for life jacket and lifeboat. If you can see here, all of this is the components of life jacket. First thing is molded and chamfered collar for extra comfort. The ultimate in comfort to fit all neck size. Contour shoulder for chamfered shoulder panel to comfort of feet. Bound outer seam for quality finish and extra durability. Soft and light EPA or EVA. Shape to reduce bulkiness, ultra comfort and flexible. EPA from layered construction to achieve flexibility. And then next is high gloss reflection trim. This is highly visible at all time in every condition, day or night. Double stitching for extra strength on all major seam. Whistle for raising alarm in distress. High performance polyester webbing. This extra durability giving a secure fit and longer life. Next is leg strap. Fold barrier for extra safety. And then lastly, important component is non-slip buckle. This non-slip buckle is easily adjustable for every. Next is a component and applications of lifeboat. So there is three types of lifeboat. First, open lifeboat. Second, fully enclosed lifeboat. Third, partially enclosed lifeboat. So first, I'm going to explain the component applications of open lifeboat. First component is the inside of the boat edge is also equipped with a ceiling frame socket for erecting a nailed cloth roof. So the applications of this component is to ensure that the lifeboat still can buoyancy even filled with water or leaking. Second component is the skeleton of open lifeboats has a keel, a first column, a tail column, a rib, a horizontal seat plate, and a vertical seat plate. This is to ensure the strength of the hull lifeboat. Third, there are two change-like catenary life-saving floats on the outside of the lifeboat. So the applications of this component is for the dredging personnel to lift and also serve as a foot for climbing the boat. Okay, next is a fully enclosed lifeboat. First component is a rigid closed-top cover. Next is a fully enclosed lifeboat. First component is a rigid closed-top cover. This application of this component is ensure that occupant can protect it from cold and heat. Second component is air maintaining system is provided with a gas supply cylinder and a visual indicator. This is for indicating the supply air pressure. Third is water spray fire protection system. The applications of this component is the system can be pumped from the sea, the outside of the lifeboat, and can prevent the flammable liquid and water from being pumped out when pumping. So next, component and application of partially enclosed lifeboat. The first component is rigid roof at bow and stern. The applications of rigid roof at bow and stern is provide structure and protections against weather and wave. Second component is climbing device. The applications of climbing device is occupant can climb aboard in the event of damage to the stability and the occupant can escape on their own. Third is drowning equipment or auto drowning system. The applications of this component is lifeboat can launch quickly into water despite not being fully watertight. That's it.
Next part is communication equipment. The first one is VHF radio, which is used for short-range communication, especially for distress call and coordination with nearby vessels and coastal stations. Second one is the satellite communication system. It enables long-range communication, allowing ships to stay connected even in remote ocean areas.
Marine VHF radio is the main communication tool for short-range use at sea, operating between 156 and 174 MHz. Because it relies on line of sight, the antenna head plays a big role in its range. Let's look at the key components. The transceiver is the main unit, either fixed or handheld. Antenna helps send and receive signal. The higher they are placed, the farther the range. A microphone with a push-to-talk button let user transmit, while the speakers let them hear incoming message. Power comes from the boat battery or internet rechargeable batteries. Modern radio often include DSC, which send automatic distress alerts with your GPS location using your vessel MMIS numbers. As for application, distress and safety communication is a top use. Channel system is always monitored and DSC makes emergency alert faster and more accurate. Ship-to-ship communication helps prevent collisions and coordinate movement. Ship-to-shore is used for contacting mariners, port or the coast guards. VHF also provide weather updates and support navigational safety. However, keep in mind VHF range is limited, usually up to 20 to 30 nautical miles, and busy channels can get crowded. Even with new technology like satellite, VHF remain essential at sea for reliable, immediate communication. Satellite communication is essential for ships at sea where there's no access to land-based network. It involves three main parts. First, satellite in orbit that relay signal. Second, short station that connects to the internet or phone networks. Plus, and ship terminal like VSAT or MSS system that handle onboard communications. This system use uplink and downlink over different frequency bands like A, L, Ku, and Ka. Their support key functions like ship-to-shore communication, navigation, and safety. Example, GPS, distress alerts, fleet and cargo monitoring, operational efficiency, and environmental monitoring. In short, satellite communication keeps ships connected, safe, and efficiency worldwide.
For the conclusion at safety at sea, maritime safety can be explained in different ways, including safety at sea, safety while navigating, and general safety rules. This article looks at how safety measures have improved over time with laws, often helping to solve problems in the shipping industry. To fully understand and improve safety at sea, we should look at things like seafarers' tiredness, stress, health, awareness of their surroundings, teamwork, how they make decisions, how they communicate and share information, new technology, digital tools, automation, and most importantly, building a strong culture of safety. Thank you.